Welcome to this guided tutorial on enabling the toolbar when viewing your WordPress site. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to make the administrative toolbar appear on your live site, making it more convenient to access essential features while browsing. The toolbar can be a handy resource when you need to navigate quickly or perform edits on the fly. We will begin with accessing the WordPress homepage and continue through a series of straightforward steps that help you configure your account settings. Start by opening your web browser and going to WordPress. Once you have arrived at the WordPress page, direct your attention to the top right corner. You will notice a login option there, which is your entry point to the dashboard. Clicking on this login link initiates the authentication process and propels you into the environment where you can manage your website. Immediately after clicking login, you will be presented with the option to sign in using your Google account. Selecting the Continue with Google option simplifies the process by allowing you to choose the Google account that best represents your administrative credentials. This step leverages Google's secure single sign-on system, which is both efficient and secure. By choosing your account, you ensure that you are properly authenticated and can move on to managing your site settings. With your access now granted, the next step involves navigating to the area where you can manage user settings. In your WordPress dashboard, locate the Users section. This area is designed to help you manage different aspects of your account and can be accessed by clicking on Users. Although you are already signed in, this link takes you to an area where you can make personalized adjustments to your profile and account configuration. Once you are inside the Users area, you need to go into your personal profile. On the profile page, the interface is laid out in such a way that you can easily find the various settings related to your account. As you review the different sections on this page, focus your attention on the portion concerning the toolbar. The toolbar is a powerful tool that gives you immediate access to editing options and navigation shortcuts even when you are on the live site. Within the profile settings, you will see a dedicated section that manages the toolbar settings. Look for the option that specifies that the toolbar will be shown when viewing the site. By toggling this option on, you ensure that the toolbar becomes part of your browsing experience on your live website. This change enables you to have a smoother workflow as the toolbar remains accessible for performing quick edits or checking statistics on the fly. After you have enabled the toolbar setting, it is important to save your changes. To do this, scroll to the bottom of the profile page and click on Update Profile. This final step commits your new settings, ensuring that the toolbar appears each time you visit your website. With the profile updated, your administrative toolbar will now be visible during site navigation, making it easier for you to manage content and other administrative tasks. This step-by-step guide has taken you from logging into WordPress with your Google account to updating your user profile, ensuring the toolbar is enabled when viewing your site. Enjoy the convenience of having the toolbar at your fingertips as you work on or view your WordPress website.